Start with the magic circle and chain 2. This won't be counted as a stitch. Now in the magic circle make 12 double crochets. Once you're done, pull this yarn in to close the gap and slip stitch on top of the first double crochet which you made. Round 2, start with chain 2. For this whole pattern, the starting chain 2 it won't be counted as a stitch. Now make 5 double crochets in the same stitch. And mark the middle stitch, the third stitch. That's 1, 2 and 3. This will be the first corner, and this is a stitch where you will be making the increased stitch in the next round. Now 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Five double crochets in the next stitch. Mark the middle stitch, that's the third stitch, 1, 2 and 3. This will be the second corner. 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Five double crochets in the next stitch. Mark the third stitch. This will be the third corner. 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Five double crochets in the next stitch. Mark the middle stitch, 1, 2 and 3. This will be the fourth corner. 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. And slip stitch on top of the first double crochet. Next round, start with chain 2. 1 double crochet in each stitch until you reach the corner. Start that first stitch in the same stitch. Now in the corner you will again make 5 double crochets. Mark the new corner, the third stitch, 1, 2, 3. 1 double crochet in each and every stitch until the next corner. Five double crochets in the corner. Mark the new corner. And repeat this all around, and once you reach the end, slip stitch on top of the first double crochet. Now repeat this round 2 more times. This is how it will look after round 5. Round 6, start with chain 2. Now we'll make 1 back post double crochet in each and every stitch. Go below the whole stitch, the starting chain 2 and the 1 double crochet. Repeat this until the next corner. In the corner stitch, that's the third stitch, make 5 double crochets. Now continue making back post double crochets until the next corner. And 5 double crochets in the corner stitch. Now repeat this all around, and once you reach the end, slip stitch on top of the first double crochet. This is how it will look. Now round number 7, 8 and 9, that's 3 rounds, make 1 double crochet in each and every stitch around. Start each and every round with chain 2 and 1 double crochet until the corner, and in the corner you'll make 5 double crochets. And to end the round, slip stitch on top of the first double crochet which you have made. This is how it will look after round number 9. This is the main pattern. Keep repeating round number 6, 7, 8 and 9. So the next round it will be back post double crochet, then 3 rounds of double crochets, and each and every round start with chain 2. I've already made mine. I'll just zoom out. This is how it will look. This is the border which I have made. I'll show you the border in the same piece. For the border, start with chain 1 single crochet in the next 5 stitches. Start the next stitch in the same stitch, 1, chain 3 and 1 single crochet in the same stitch. Now repeat this all around. 1 single crochet in the next 5 stitches, chain 3 and 1 single crochet in the same stitch. And once you reach the end, slip stitch on top of the first single crochet and weave off your yarn. This is how it will look, the corners. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.